I was about to be all hyped like, yo, this is it, this is easy. But this is a little biased towards people with a thick ponytail, because baby, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is ALIYAHBRIANNA, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick hairstyle, a 10-minute hairdo, a hairdo under $30. Like, sis, like, come on. So today's video I'm going to be doing the instant updo by Sensationnel, and this is what the piece looked like. So this is a 2-piece set that I got from Amazon. I bought it myself. I paid my little $23 for it. But you can do 4 different hairstyles with this. So you can do the half up, half down. You can do a high ponytail. You could do a low ponytail. And you could use the bottom part as like a headband / half wig. I don't really want to put too much heat on my hair. So I'm not going to show you guys the ponytails or the half wig. But I am going to show you guys how I do the half up, half down. So I have my hair in 2 French braids in the back. And I did my ponytail up top. And I got my little fluffy edges and all of that. Looking all cute. And we just gonna jump right in. I got color number 2, and I know that this is synthetic, so that's why I got the looser texture, so that like it wouldn't tangle up on me. And I was gonna get more, but I wanted to try it out before I went splurging on these joints. But if it worked out, then by all means. So this is what it's given. Hold on, let me get this out. Here we go. Okay, so this is what my sis is giving. This is the half wig part of it. Come on, beat. Face is on point. But this is the half wig part of it. And I mean, it don't feel bad. It is what it is. I don't think it's gonna match, but this is just gonna be like a quick hairdo. And like, if you're somebody who don't really know how to do your hair or don't really be feeling like doing your hair, this is perfect. But I'm just going to take this little half wig part and just put it where it's 2 combs in here. So I'm going to just take these 2 combs, secure them right on at the top. Is it any more? Alright. It's a drawstring in here. Now, it don't feel super secure, but it's not that bad. And I'm running my fingers through it, like, I'm not really mad at it. Alright, this side was a little different, but I ain't really mad at it. It's trying to give a little something, something. Alright, it's kind of cute. Let me put the little top part on. Let me. And this is with the ponytail given. She got 2 combs. And the little wraparound part, which is cute. Okay. I'm going to just take and stick comb number 1 under. Hold up. I'm gonna stick it underneath my rubber band. I don't got no scrunchie. And then I'm gonna just wrap this joint around. Take that other comb and just kind of like put it in there. Alright, I'm having some trouble with this little ponytail because I got a little ponytail and this joint is not really cooperating. Pull up. So I'm back at square one, but the ponytail is a struggle. Now, I was about to be all hyped like, yo, this is it, this is easy. But this is a little biased towards people with a thick ponytail, because baby, Listen, my ponytail ain't that thick, but I'm going to put it in this little bun real quick. And we're going to try this again. So I'm going to stick in my little comb. Boom, boom. And I'm going to just stick the other one underneath the wig. Listen, sometimes you just got to figure it out. And that's how I figured it out. And these little hairpins is wide, but close them. Stick one right on up in there. Make sure she's secure, and we're gonna keep on wrapping like nothing happened. This is honestly, like, I got this because I'm tired of lace, and this is perfect for that. Like, if you are over lace, it's $23, girl. Like, we probably be spending like $300 on lace. Order you up a couple of these in all the different styles, and make this like your little go-to for some time. You know, I wouldn't do this like as my go-to because I'm putting heat on the front of my hair, and I'm trying to stay away from heat for a little bit. But if you could find one that's close to your hair texture, you probably don't even need to put heat on your hair. Or if you like do a nice sleek wet pony, you don't gotta put no heat on it. It's just, you know, I'm extra, and for the sake of this video, I was gonna go all out anyway. Now, I'm sorry about the little wraparound. I usually like really take my time with the wraparound and put the hairspray and all of that, but I don't really care that much because it's synthetic. Come on. All right. They said, listen, we can't give you human hair, but we can give you looks. That's what we can offer. We can't give you the best quality, but she's versatile, honey. That's what they said. They said, don't play with us. We is not outre. We is sensational. Not sensational. Sensational, okay? Don't play with them, y'all. Go cop up on y'all little half-up-half-downs. That's all it is to say. Like, it's nothing really to talk about. It's nothing to think about. It's nothing to discuss. You're not going to lose no money. Girl, it's $23. Max $25. Like, just go ahead, click the link that's down below and order yours. Like, it's really nothing to discuss. Y'all saw how quick it was. I struggled with the little ponytail, but besides the little ponytail and this little, the ends, it's synthetic. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. You just gotta make sure you get it all out before you go out for the day. But listen, I'm not mad at this. Like, I really love it. And like, when I finish this, I'm gonna order me the it was one that was curlier than this. Like, it had big curls in it. I'm gonna order that one and one of the curly ones, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all how it come out. But what do y'all think? How did I do? Do y'all like it with the fluffy edges? I think she's cute. Excuse my edge control, but okay, she's trying to serve a little something. She cute or whatever. So I don't don't think I really described much about the wig. So it is in the color number 2. I was worried that it wasn't going to match, but it looks good. It's in the color number 2. I forget what style this is. Let me see if it's on like the pack or something, because it says UD4, so it is style number 4. They got a whole different like array of numbers, you know, the different styles or whatever, you know what I mean. But they have a whole different array of styles you can choose from. I chose this looser wave because I feel like you can't go wrong with it, and it shouldn't give me that much tangle. You can put heat on it. I'm not gonna put it on it today. I'm gonna wait until it really needs the heat, and I probably might not do that. I might just do flexi rods. But this is really the finished look. Honestly, it would have taken less time if I would have knew how to do the little wraparound thing, but I figured it out. And like, I feel like tomorrow when I do this again, it's only gonna take me like 5 minutes, because all you're doing is wrapping around this little ponytail and slapping on this little half wig and jizzing up your edges. And I'm gonna just spray a little shine on it and give her some shine, like I just left the shop. Like, cause girl, it's giving I just left and got me a half up half down sewing, and the whole time I ordered my half up half down sewing off Amazon, and I popped it on in 5 minutes. These hairstylists could never, and I'm a hairstylist myself, and baby, I just slayed all of y'all. So what are y'all doing? Y'all need to go ahead and go buy y'all instant up down from Sensationnel. This is UD4. And yeah, this is the look. Like, I'm feeling it. Because I have pink on, and I plan on putting on my bubblegum pink Telfar and my bubblegum pink Linseys. I'm gonna put on this little bubblegum pink. I feel like the ponytail like hanging on its last legs now because I just did that. It's cool. We got the scrunchie. Who? What is given? Comment down below what is given, because I'm trying to figure out what is given, but I can't put my finger on it. What is given? Let me know what you think. I really like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I know that I've been away for some time, a couple months. And I know a lot of people are wondering where's part 2 to the wig series. I literally, this whole time that I've been going, been trying to get that footage together. Every time I edit it, the footage disappears. Like, I was about to upload it. Thumbnails created, everything's created for it. And when I upload it on YouTube, the whole video's blank. And I recorded another wig install for you guys. And it was a talk through. I wanted to do some things talking, and I do apologize if I'm like a little out of it. I'm trying to hurry up, and I still wanted to talk, so I'm sorry if this video was just kind of all over the place. But yeah, I wanted to do like a sit down talk through video, and I was talking about some good stuff, and halfway through you can't hear nothing. So I'm just praying that this works out. I'm praying that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm praying that everything looks good. I'm praying that I wasn't blurry, and I'm praying that I was like in a good area of the camera. I know my face is beat and my hair is wavy, but but I really do hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you check the description box to, you know, get all the specs and details on this hair. And also check the description box for all of my socials. Girl, follow me. Like, why aren't we friends? Follow me. So yeah, make sure you follow my Instagram, my TikTok, Twitter, the whole 9. I'll have everything listed down below. And I hope to see you guys soon, because I got something else from Amazon. I'm thinking about doing an Amazon special. Comment down below if you think I should do an Amazon baddie on a budget little series. Comment down below. I really want to know, because I'm always finding some cute stuff for the low. So make sure y'all let me know. Comment down below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment on this video. Tell your good girlfriend about Sensationnel's half up, half down unit kit, and make sure you go get yours. Make sure you get like 2 or 3 of them, cause you never know when we gonna have another pandemic. Cause child, they not trying to wear their mask. Listen, I'm not vaccinated, but I wear my mask. So please, if you're not vaccinated, wear your mask. But I'm gonna head out. This is just gonna be something short, sweet, and simple. I'm coming right back. I got another baddie on a budget hair thing, and I got a mukbang. So make sure y'all just stay tuned, cause I got some stuff for y'all. I got some heat. But I'm out.